you ever looked at a snowflake and thought, whoa, this thing is mathematically perfect? No? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the secret patterns of nature that have been hiding in plain sight. Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel, and this is the hidden math in nature. Okay, so to start today's topic, let's discuss how every planet to the spot on a leopard follows math. A mathematician like Johannes Kepler figured this out 100 of years ago. And guess what? Without even using a telescope. Mind blown. If you want more, let's start.
So imagine that you are stacking a coin. You'll notice the best way to stack them is the honeycomb pattern. Thick surrounding one. That's exactly how snowflakes form, and Kepler, yes, the man obsessed with planets, figured out by just thinking really hard. No experiment, no lab, just gold all brain power. So, every snowflake out there is a little frozen math masterpiece. But wait, there's more.
The ancient Greeks were staring at the star one night and said, "Hey, those bright dots were moving differently from others. Let's call them planets," which means wanderer in Greek. So that's how we got the word planet. And now, Kepler, our math whiz, noticed something even crazier. If we take the planet's distance from the sun, cube it, and divide it by square of its orbit time, you always get the same number. Like, what? This leads to Newton's discovery from gravity.
Ever wonder why most flowers, pine cones, and even galaxies spirals in the same way? It's called Fibonacci sequence. Every number in the pattern is the sum of the two before it. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8, and so on. Nature literally follows math formulas like it's a reading sheet too. And then there's chaos theory. Sounds scary, right? But it's just a fancy way of saying things look random. Now, it's like the weather. It seems unpredictable, right? But the truth is, it's just nature doing crazy math at the sky. So next time you see a zebra, a rainbow, or even the simplest snowflake, just know you're looking at math in action. Nature isn't random, but it's a beautifully coded equation, and we're just living in its masterpiece.
If this blow your mind, please hit the like and subscribe.
Tell us what's the craziest thing you've seen in nature. Comment below.
Until next time, keep your eyes open and calculators ready. Bye!